Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations.
And a bit of a catch-up.
Bit of a catch up, bit of a chitty chat.
Chitty chat. We would have liked to have done a live this Sunday, but
We can't predict what Louisa does.
no, she sleeps fine during the day. At night time, it's a different story, isn't it? She does
Right.
not going. She sleeps better in the workshop than she does at home.
Only if we're not filming.
Yeah.
If we're filming, it's
Shh,
like
we're filming
yeah, I
now.
know, it's like I don't know, moths to a flame or whatever it is.
You can hear the
It's
camera
like,
start up.
You want to do something?
Anyway, enough of that. Update time. What has been going on in the workshop?
Yeah, I could tell you something about the Volvo.
Go on.
The centre prop shaft bearing thing holder is toast. It's it's literally the only push and bearing thing in the driveline that we didn't replace, and it's now going clunkety 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 clunk. It's got like a 5mm gap around it, which it wasn't there when it went
It
for an
wasn't.
MOT.
No,
It's
it's.
just decided, you know what, I'm going to shrivel up a bit now.
I'm surprised Sam didn't get in the bearings from Sandblast. He got in everywhere
Yeah.
else. So yeah, we got that on order. We've still got some things to finish on the Volvo before the big reveal.
Yeah, I mean, there's another tinkering episode coming. We need to do clutch fluid flush because that is black.
Yeah, it's minging.
Gearbox fluid
Yeah,
oil
oil.
and
ATF.
that bearing.
The bearing, the gearbox flush, the clutch fluid flush, that's coming up.
So that'll be good fun.
That'll be good fun. Still haven't finished really installing all the gubbins for the radio.
No.
My cameras and my DAB, that
No.
needs to be done.
Yeah. Add-ons.
The wheels are still in progress. We did find a couple of nasty dings on the rim, didn't we?
Yeah, let's go weldering.
Special alley welding.
And he said it was some of the nicest metal he's ever welded for wheels.
And that
Because they're
the
not
quality.
they're not cast wheels. They're split rim. So the actual rim part of actually is rolled, not
from billet,
cast,
yeah.
they're not machined out.
really
They're like
nice.
rolled. It's spun. Sorry, spun. It's called spun.
Spun and
Yeah.
So those nicks have been repaired by a top class alley welder.
Yeah.
Back into the booth's been full of bloody paint panels and cars and
Been
everything.
busy.
We haven't had time. So busy
I
working.
think my fastest light restoration job ever done this weekend. It was a 4-day epic ordeal to get a 924 looking as nice as I could within the time, because he's a long-time friend and a son of a long-time friend, and
We're exchanging it
we're
for
exchanging
favours.
work for work. I
Work
love
for
a bit
work.
of work for work. So he's going to come and do some stuff in the workshop. A bit
Can
of
I say what he's
office
going to do?
upgrades. Yeah,
Office
sure.
upgrade.
Office
We're
upgrade.
getting an office extension. I mean, it's going to mean I can come back to work for more hours because we've got somewhere for Louisa to be as well, somewhere for customers to sit and, you know, have a natter instead of standing around in the middle of the workshop.
I love standing in the workshop.
You do love standing in the
It's
workshop.
it's only for somewhere for Louisa to be.
No,
the
it's
reason.
not.
It's
It's not.
somewhere for Louisa to be when she says it, which is more reason than we need for anything. That's
Also,
all the reason.
that's the only reason. Even if that was the only reason, that is good enough. But it's also somewhere for us to do merch prep because
Yeah.
we have a big merch order coming in.
Oh yeah.
Do not go to the Teespring store anymore. I have killed it. It's just
Closed down.
It's closed down. They were just charging too much for the
So like
items.
50 quid for a t-shirt in the end.
But that wasn't our prices though. That was their prices.
We weren't making any money, but there was literally no profit in it for us. We were just literally doing it to have our designs out there.
Yeah, I mean, and then they were charging individual postage.
So much. Yeah, if you wanted to order 2 things, it was like 10 quid postage for a sticker and 10 quid postage for.
It's
only
just-
good postage. Like, no.
No, it's just not fair
No, it's not
on
fair on
you
anyone.
guys and not fair on us because we were putting time into trying to design stuff and then what's the point, you know?
And every 5 minutes they were raising the prices.
Yeah, no, so we scratched that. We went to our friend Den at Vinyls View and we said, Den, we need merch, sort us out, and he is doing us a nice big delivery any time now.
A good chunk. We will add to it as time goes on.
Yeah, I got loads of other stuff to go in the store as well. The fascia plates for the Volvos, the key rings.
I've been making some really nice stuff for the laser.
You have been making some gorgeous things. They'll be listed as soon as we can, guys. We'll let you know. Probably some merch will be going in the 10k giveaway.
I think so.
I think so.
Definitely.
We're over 9k now. I think we were at 20 something when I checked this morning. It has been amazing. Thank you, every single one of you who've hit subscribe.
Please subscribe to the channel.
42% of people who watch our channel are not subscribed. Can you believe that?
42. That's
42%.
the meaning of life.
It is. That's the number, isn't it?
That's the meaning of life.
I mean, it's completely free. All you have to do is click down there somewhere, or down there. I don't know which way it is. Hit the subscribe button, and then that's it. You're doing us a huge favour, and you won't miss any of our videos.
No, it's good. Yeah, please do. Please subscribe. It makes a world of difference to us, and we really like our subscribers.
We love our subscribers.
They're the best.
We've also got Twitter. We've got Instagram, Facebook,
Yeah,
TikTok.
we're playing making shorts.
Yeah, we've been having fun with that.
We're not monetized on shorts or anything on Instagram Reels. Reels.
TikTok.
So we're chucking any old music we fancy in and making just whatever we feel is cool at the time.
It's good fun, isn't it? It's good fun.
It's good fun.
Yeah, I really enjoyed that Father Jack one I did. That was hilarious. Go and have I'll put a link in the description. Check it out. It's so funny. Yeah. I think it's funny.
I think it is funny. It's hella funny.
Oh, but
with the workshop extension, office extension, we have to have a massive workshop rearrange. And a massive tidy up. There's a whole load of Volvo extras.
There's too many projects in the main workshop.
There's too many projects that we can't work on.
We want to, but we can't work for nothing. We have to, we have to bring in the money as well for us. But
the Lotus, I just don't have time, so it's sadly going to have to just go back into stores. We'll have to bring another project and put that here so we can actually do work on the project.
Poor Toy is going to be bumped to next year, I think.
I mean, I could literally only use it to go backwards and forwards to work anyway.
Yeah, I know, but it was going to be fun. Anyway, it's not never, it's later. Now, we've got cars going over there, we've got cars moving around in here. We have another car, I'm not going to say what, but it's coming in here, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got a small project to do for Tim at Cambrian Classics. And a little bit of paint
That'll
work.
be a nice surprise. You'll love that.
That's going to be a nice little project. We need a new big project.
We can't decide.
It's either going to be back to Fiesta.
Yeah.
Or the Stag.
I think.
All we could do is
do both. I think do both.
A bit of both.
Let's crack open the Stag.
I think the people would love to see the Fiesta back underway because that was the first project that we started properly.
Well, we can get back on. We can get back onto the Fiesta, and we can crack on with the Stag as well. We can we can have a look at what we're dealing with on the Stag.
Yeah.
Take all the bits off. Yeah, I think so. But on a personal project, no, we can't decide once the Volvo is completely 100% finished, big reveal done. Do we carry on with Lewis's E30?
I've got. E30 is my car love of my life. It is my car. Yeah. But it's something I won't use in the winter. I'll drive around in it, but I won't use it in winter because I've put too much effort into it. But there is the E46, and if you've been watching the channel for a long time, you'll know that we bought an E46 from Copop, which was a complete disaster.
It was a disaster. We wanted a 330. We got a 330. We wanted
it was unrecorded, undamaged.
Cosmetic
starts
only.
and drives, yeah.
It wasn't.
The head gasket was so badly gone that it turned the radiator into a fountain. And this is Copart gambling.
That was a fun day.
That was a fun day. But the engine is here, but it's like everywhere in here. So it needs to be all gathered up and rebuilt.
It is a car you can drive in the winter though.
And it's not a huge project, let's just get it back together. Or I crack on with my lovely E30.
Let us know what you think. Do you want to see us crack on with the E30 project, even though we won't be able to drive it when it's finished on the road?
It'll be finished in time for winter.
Yeah, or do we do the E46, get it to a point where it's like a rolling restoration?
And do a massive burnout.
Do a massive burnout. Hopefully it doesn't
Hopefully
explode.
the second block we bought is okay.
I'm going to take that down to Hargreaves and get it checked out anyway.
The block that came in the car was cooked beyond use with the overheating from the head gasket.
Do you know what the what do you call it? The cylinders look like on that?
They were
Like that.
oval, yeah.
Oval.
Ovalised the cylinders beyond the point where the pistons actually. He said it might be okay, but it's going to have some piston slap.
No,
And I'm like,
not good enough.
"Nah."
Not for us, no. So that's what's happening. Big move around. We've got to do worky work to pay the bills. Office extension is coming along. We just got to get the materials for that.
Merch is coming.
Merch is coming. E30 or E46, you decide. Or maybe, no, you tell us what you want and we'll just decide anyway.
Yeah.
That's it really, isn't it? I mean, we're just so busy at the moment.
Yeah, Ian's coming in a minute. Ian from Hubnut's coming in a minute.
Yeah.
He wants a bit of welding on his
Aussie barge.
Yeah, on his Australian Ford.
So we'll get that sorted as well. But other than that, it's all hands on deck.
It's going really good.
It is going really
It's going
good.
really good.
It is going really good. So we will be back with you with some Volvo content as soon as we can. We'll just be giving you general updates as we're going along on the social medias.
What are we going to do for next week's video?
Next week's video? I don't know.
Nor do I. Nor do I.
Hey, at least there's not years between episodes like Binky.
That's true.
It could be worse. It could be worse.
Could be
Oh!
worse.
Sound might be a bit funny on this episode because
The road died on us.
our microphone's completely
You
kaput.
noticed at the end of the car show video.
Yeah, you lost the sound.
We lost sound. I thought it was just jiggling of wires, and we poked a wire out of the camera.
Yeah.
Turned out the Rode microphone was on its way out, and in the last video we recorded with the Yeti trim, it packed in altogether, and I lost a lot of footage. As I was trying to explain what I was doing when I was rolling the arch through the Jenny, and it just. I just
Luckily,
lost it
Lewis
all.
could salvage enough to make
Well,
a
instead of
decent
doing-
video, but
Instead of doing a nice sort of tutorial, it was more of a music
this is what we
montage.
did, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, I have ordered replacements, which a courier has stolen, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, Amazon Prime next day, delivered, no they weren't.
Yeah.
So I've had to order another set. It's not coming until next week, so we're going to give these DJI mics a
Yeah,
go.
DJI mics. That sounds,
Yeah,
that sounds exciting.
I've just lost confidence with the Rode, to be honest.
Plus, it's a much better setup. They actually come with a little chargeable pack. Anyway, not
Yeah,
that you care about
no
DJI
tech.
stuff.
Yeah, no, we're not a tech channel.
No,
Or are we?
or are we?
Or are we? No, right then. I think that's everything covered.
That's that.
Right then, guys. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next week.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Ciao.
Ciao.
And this is Copart Gambling. Stop.